Today we're making a special soup, spinach and chickpea soup, and I absolutely love it, and I wanted to bring it again because sometimes you have these recipes that you just have to repeat. This is one of them. It's just glorious. I'm using a lot of carrots, some courgette, a little bit of onions, garlic, salt. I'm going to use spring onions and leeks. The hot water is ready and the olive oil in the pan. Don't forget already to hit the like, to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and just check our recipes because they're really worth it. Very healthy, so full of flavor. Now I'm going to add the onions, the garlic, spring onions, the leeks, and I will allow it to gain flavor all together with the olive oil, and I will add all the ingredients and top with the hot water. The act of frying the onions and the garlic first, they will bring a little bit of flavor and special taste to this soup. It is so good. So now I just allow to put all of the ingredients to boil, and I will put a fork through the vegetables, and when they split, that means that the vegetables are ready. Usually you can add as well a vegetable stock, but since I'm not using it, I will add some basil tips. And you season to taste. Now my vegetables are all very well boiled, and I'm going to blend everything together until I have a very nice and velvety cream. And I have this consistency only when I pass through the Chinese sieve. I have to say that this is so satisfying to watch. I always love it, and it always reminds me of my mom, of course, and her ways of making beautiful soups that they have every day. My parents have soup every day for lunch and for dinner. Now the base is ready, and I'm going to add the chickpeas and the spinach. I'm not boiling the spinach because it's going to get the right consistency when I add it to the boiling soup base. The smell is so good and the soup is ready to be tasted. So at this point I have to say something. Bon appetit! Let's try. So delicious. So good. Now you can take a screenshot of the recipe.